Today is Saturday, May 15th. This is the 1975 Cadillac Eldorado digital barrel roller clock for my friend Eric in New York. I've done complete restoration and I've connected it to power, and we're doing this functional validation before I ship it out to get my friend Eric's okay to ship reply confirmation. And there we can see the seconds having completed a full revolution and changing the minute. Okay, so I'll be sending this clock out to Eric. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts from 1967 to 1978 for the Cadillac Eldorados. I have over 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the steering columns, instrument clusters, power seat mechanisms, the electrical switches, and other critical, hard to source, hard to restore original vintage Cadillac items such as these digital roller barrel clocks, as well as the solid state clocks from General Time and Borg that GM used from 1967 through 1970. Today is May 15th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.